1. Which is the richest country in the world? A. Qatar. B. Russia. C. The USA. D. The UAE. The answer is A. Qatar. 2. Which county is the biggest grower of coffee? A. Spain. B. India. C. Ethiopia. D. Brazil. The answer is D. Brazil. 3. How many bones are in the body of an adult human? A. 330. B. 206. C. 250. D. 210. The answer is B. 206. 4. When the humans use more facial muscles? A. While smiling. B. While frowning. C. While sleeping. D. While talking. The answer is B. While frowning. 5. Who wrote Crime and Punishment? A. Leo Tolstoy. B. Fyodor Dostoevsky. C. Anton Chekhov. D. Ivan Turgenev. The answer is B. Fyodor Dostoevsky. 6. In what year was the United Nations (UN) founded? A. 1945. B. 1919. C. 1956. D. 1961. The answer is A. 1945. 7. Which city is called the City of Winds? A. Chicago. B. Seattle. C. Washington. D. Veliki Novgorod. The answer is A. Chicago. 8. What animal is a symbol of peace and neutrality? A. Polar bear. B. White tiger. C. White lion. D. White crane. The answer is B. White tiger. 9. What element is the main constituent of diamonds? A. Carbon. B. Oxygen. C. Silver. D. Gold. The answer is A. Carbon. 10. In what year was Ferdinand Magellan's first successful circumnavigation of the world? A. 1492. B. 1520. C. 1588. D. 1620. The answer is B. 1520. 11. Which river is the second longest in the world? A. Amazon. B. Yangtze. C. Nile. D. Mississippi. The answer is B. Yangtze. 12. What year was the first man sent to space? A. 1957. B. 1961. C. 1969. D. 1975. The answer is B. 1961. 13. Which sea is considered the most salty on Earth? A. Red Sea. B. Mediterranean Sea. C. Dead Sea. D. Black Sea. The answer is C. Dead Sea. 14. Which organ in the human body is responsible for the secretion of bile? A. Liver. B. Kidneys. C. Spleen. D. Stomach. The answer is A. Liver. 15. Which planet in the solar system is known as the morning star or evening star? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Mercury. D. Jupiter. The answer is B. Venus.